All right, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Friday idiom. So big-hearted. Yeah. Big-hearted. Yes, like this. Very good. Yeah, big-hearted. So, very kind. Kind and passionate. Kind. Passionate. Yes. So, she is a big-hearted woman. She always cares for other people. Yeah. How cool is that? A big-hearted woman. He has a big heart. He is everybody's friend. Friend, yeah, big heart. Their big heart helped us through the winter. They really are charitable. They are really charitable, yeah. How cool is that? He is a big-hearted person. Big-hearted person, yeah. Why is your heart so big? Why do you care for others so much? Why do you care for others so much? Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that? How cool is that? Soon you will meet a big-hearted person. He is a big-hearted person and always helps others first. Yeah, helps others first. How cool is that? Yeah. I think they are very big-hearted. Now, because he is big-hearted, he always helps others. Helps others, especially strangers, yeah. But he knows when his big heart is being taken advantage of. So he has to be wary of some people. Yeah, they will just take and take from him. Just take and take from him. Yeah. So are you a big-hearted person? Are you a big-hearted person? Yeah. Yeah. How passionate and kind are you? Depends. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use big-hearted in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video. Like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. You can also find me on Udemy too by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.